Gammill. I'm a closet coach. I'm also the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. This book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. One small choice that you can make every day is to curate a wardrobe you love. And I'm here to teach you how to do that. This tool is called the Edit. You can do it every day. And it is a very powerful tool that will make you aware of your clothing choices, what you love, and what's working for you and what's not. So let's get started with the edit. There are 3 questions. And keeping these questions in mind throughout the day is super powerful as well, because that's where you're going to mine your answers from your awareness throughout the day. Question number 1 is, what worked? And you're always going to start with the question, what worked? And the reason for that is you're training your brain to look for the positive. The more you look for the positive, the more positive you will see. Often, many people have the tendency to look for the negative or to pick apart what they see in the mirror. But this question number 1 trains you to not do that. So question number 1 is, what worked? And so you just throughout the day pay attention to what you chose to wear. And then at the end of the day, ask yourself, what worked? Did anything work? So very typical of my edit. I loved my outfit. It worked. Sleeveless in the summer is perfect. I love a good ruffle. It's so much fun. The pants were super comfortable and I wore my little flip-flops. So I liked it. So question number 2, which is also super helpful, is what didn't work? And we are not asking that question with judgment. And we're not picking ourselves apart. Again, no. We are just being curious. What didn't work? And this question is so powerful because throughout the day, you may notice something about your clothes that you don't particularly care for. Maybe it's not laying the way you want it to. Maybe it gets all rumpled. Maybe it gets wrinkled. Maybe just anything. You just have to notice what's not working. And if you do any kind of tugging like this all day long, tug, that is a clue that maybe this isn't working for you. So what didn't work? That's the second question. And I would have to say I don't have anything for that either today. However, as I was getting dressed, I did think about these questions. And so like the first thing I did was I was going to wear it like this. But I said that doesn't work. That doesn't work because of where it hits on my hips. It draws attention to the widest part of my body, and so that doesn't work, which is why I tied it in the front. And so that was a win-win-win. So even asking these questions while you're getting dressed helps you to just make it better. Which leads me to my third question, which is, how can we make it better? So you're taking your information that you just gathered, what worked, what didn't work, and now we're asking with intention, how can we make it better? And you may need to use your imagination just a little bit. How can I make it better? Now, as I've done this edit, I get to that part and maybe something needs to be thrown away that I don't love anymore. Or maybe something needs to be purchased to make the outfit better. And I just have a running list. That way I always go with intention into any shopping arena. I don't just go willy-nilly. So how can I make it better? I felt really great about this. I didn't even feel like I needed a necklace because the ruffles do that. So it was very relaxed, wonderful outfit, and I liked it. And I don't think I need to do anything to make it better. That doesn't happen every day, but when it does happen, it's a score. It's a score. So, yeah, it's a good thing. The more you do this work, the less and less information that you have to mine. Like, I don't know if you've noticed this, but every day I pretty much love what I'm wearing. Every day I pretty much don't have anything bad to say about it. And every day I'm like, I think it's great. I don't have to improve it. But that is the culmination of a lot of years of work, a lot of intentionality, a lot of awareness. So if you're just starting doing this, just to be really encouraged as you gather information, because the information is so helpful as you work to curate a wardrobe you love. Last night a friend of mine, she says I complimented her on her outfit, and she says, "Oh, I love this outfit." So she was saying the love, but she says it so fast that it's really adorable. So I might have to start saying that. So curate a wardrobe you love. Thank you, Nicole. This is a fun little blouse, and it's super comfortable. So that's all I have for you today. Do the edit. I hope it helps you. I hope it helps you to curate a wardrobe you love. I love it. And yeah, I'm a closet coach. I help women to do that. That's what I do. And I love doing it. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Thank you for joining me. Bye.